Are you starting to notice that maybe the siding is starting to fail on your home, but you're not sure what season you should replace it in? Or maybe your roof is starting to show signs of wear and tear, but you don't know which contractor to trust to replace it. In this video, we'll talk about the 5 most common misconceptions about the exterior home renovation industry and how these things can hurt your home in the long run by causing you to delay what needs to be done. Hi, I'm Steve with Pacific Exteriors, and we've had to unpack multiple misconceptions when it comes to the home exterior remodel industry, and today we're going to talk about the 5 most common. Many homeowners think that siding has to be delayed due to the weather. Well, I'm here to tell you that we can side in the rain or the sun. It doesn't matter. As we take off the siding, we're going to envelope as soon as that wall is prepped, and you'll be blown away by how quickly demolition goes. A whole house only takes 2 days to take everything off in paper, so imagine how quickly one wall will go. Most homeowners think these projects will take a really long time, when in reality, your average siding project, the work itself, is only 2 to 3 weeks. Your average roofing project, the work itself, is only a week. Most of the lead times you're given are 2 to 4 months, and that's because there are projects sitting already in front of you that have to be done before you begin. And that's why November to January or February is some of the best times to sign up, because everybody's back order work is so short. Another one we hear all the time is that the lowest bid is the best bid. It's important to remember that a lot of times that lowest bid is a contractor that's using cheaper products, probably cutting corners, and may not be making enough money to still be here 2, 3, 5 years from now in case something comes up that you need them to come back out and address. People often think that contractors are no good or sleazy, and it's important to remember that there's ways to protect yourself from this. Always check online reviews, check the BBB, look at how long someone's been in business, because it's important they've been in business for at least 5 years. A lot of people think that siding and roofing is more about curb appeal, when in reality, it's your shield against the elements. And your home is your biggest investment, so invest in protecting it. These are the 5 most common misconceptions that we hear from homeowners. And as much as we understand, know that delaying can cause more damage to your home. The longer you wait, the more expensive it can get. If you're interested in getting a bid from us, whether it's for siding or roofing, please visit our website, and thank you for watching.